Welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our first question in next exercise. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. So what they are asking here is, so here what are the given sides? AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides of the rhombus. These all squares of these sides will be equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. So what they are given and what we have to find it. So given that, let's write given that ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Next, whose diagonals? So sides are what you can write, sides AB, BC, CD and DA, and diagonals. So let's write it, diagonals AC and BD. So these are the diagonals and sides what they are given. So in rhombus, so diagonals intersecting at point O. So in rhombus, all sides are in equal length. All sides are in equal length. So that condition we know. That means AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD will be equal to DA. So AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD will be equal to DA. So these are the conditions. So what you have to prove here? So required to prove RTP. So what is that? Required to prove RTP will be equal to sum of these squares of all the sides. So that is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square will be equal to its squares of its diagonals, that is AC square plus BD square. AC square plus BD square. So this one we have to prove. So what is the proof here? Let's go into take it proof. So proof means, so the diagonals of the rhombus bisect perpendicular to each other at this point. So this is 90 degrees. So all the diagonals perpendicular to each other. So let's go into write the diagonals. So the diagonals in rhombus bisect perpendicular to, so perpendicular to each other. So that is the case. So bisect perpendicular to each other. So these are the perpendicular, that is 90 degrees. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Now what is the thing here? Let's go into take it first of all. So let's go into take here AO will be equal to perpendicular and its will be off. So here what you can write here is AO will be equal to OC and BO will be equal to OD. BO will be equal to OD. So that is the condition. So let's go into take here AO will be equal to half of the AC. Can you take it like this or not? Half of the AC, and BO will be equal to half of the BD. BO will be equal to half of the BD. So BO, it is in a half length. So let's consider this triangle. Let any triangle you can consider here. Let triangle AOB, right angle triangle is a right angle triangle, you can take like that. So in that triangle, by what you can say, Pythagoras theorem or Bhaudhayan theorem. So you can use that Bhaudhayan theorem, by Pythagorean theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. What you can write here is, so square of the hypotenuse will be equal to sum of the squares of the remaining sides. That is AB square will be equal to BO square plus AO square. So this is the condition. So you can take AB square as it is. Let's go into write it AB square. That will be equal to BO, you can take it as of BD square. Can you take it like this? Of BD whole square plus Here AO square you can write it as AO square as that of AC whole square. So let's write it of AC square means BD square by, so BD we got it as already one diagonal by 4 plus AC square by 4. Why? Because 2 square is 4, that is AB square. So let's take it LCM as it is. 4 BD square plus AC square will be equal to AB square. So you can write AB square, 4AB square will be equal to AC square plus BD square. You can write anything. So 4AB means you can divide as AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square, that is will be equal to AC square plus BD square. So AB square, let's write it 1AB square plus in the place of AB you can write BC square plus in the place of CD square plus DA square will be equal to AC square plus BD square. So it is they're asking that sum of the squares of all the sides in a rhombus will be equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. So sum of the squares of its diagonals. So hence it is root. Hence root. So if you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. You can take this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, any one triangle you can take it by proving the theorem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.